Good morning, everyone, on this cloudy, beautiful day in Colorado. It's a little bit chilly, but yesterday we ended up getting some parts for Brian's car. So after the whole dyno session, we're gonna show you guys what we end up getting. Alright, so here it is. So we got a new Type R lip for the hatch. And then let's open up this box and see what it is. It's a CCC Racing side skirts, 4.5 inches, wrapped in carbon fiber. Let's see how it's gonna look. Gonna test fit this. Here it is. So this is just a test fit. I just put it on. It looks like I'm gonna have to modify this a little bit due to the fender. It will not sit on here flush, so I'm gonna have to end up cutting up a notch to go around the fender bracket. As you can see here, I'm gonna have to cut a notch up here just like that, so it can go around the bracket to make it sit right. Fitment is so much better. It would look exactly like that. So let's go ahead and get this installed. When you purchase the CCC Racing side skirt, it's a pretty easy installation. They already have pre-drilled holes right here, right here, right here, and right here. So 4 pre-drilled holes. And all you have to do is drill into your stock factory side skirt. So you don't have to remove the side skirts to install these, which makes it a lot easy installation. What I'm doing here now is just using a self tapper and puncturing a hole through the vinyl, so I know exactly where to drill into the stock side skirt. So I said that there was 4 pre-drilled holes, but I ended up needing to drill out 2 more, one in the front and one on the back, to make sure that it's all secured. here we have it. The driver's side skirt is on. So next, let's install the rear lip. The rear end looks very plain. We don't like it, so let's change it. If you never installed a rear lip or front lip, sometimes they have a double-sided sticky tape and you would have to clean the lip and add the adhesive on here. And just clean the edges. Gotta make sure that the adhesive will stick to it. Here's the double-sided sticky tape. The rear lip is finally on. Let's go ahead and start the car, and we're gonna go get some gas and then do a little photo shoot on how the rear lip and the side skirts look. We're almost out of gas. Everybody on Facebook and YouTube is saying how reliable is this car. This car is actually pretty damn reliable, making 804 horsepower. And after the dyno, we drove home about 75 miles or so. And I drove the car half day yesterday, and I'm driving the car now. So how reliable is this? It's pretty damn reliable. Here's the third gear pull. That was only about 30% throttle, shifting at about 7,000 RPM. That's not even full throttle and red line. I pulled up to the gas station, about to get some E85, because this beast is thirsty. If you guys are wondering how much is E85 in Colorado, it's a little bit hard to see, but it's $2.16 a gallon. So Brian's car, his fuel gauge doesn't work. It almost says that it's empty, but I'm not gonna risk it. So when we fill up full tank, it actually goes to 3/4 only. So Brian actually bought a race pack cluster, so that should be in very shortly. So I just filled up 6 gallons and it was only $14.05. When Brent said that this is a fresh motor, if you can see, we only have 550 miles on this motor that we built. Little third gear pull.